Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now to those that are yet to subscribe, if you have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. Would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at GBPPS for this week. So we would start with this Euro GBP. Like we said, before you actually pick any trade, you would want to ask yourself some questions. And one of those questions you would want to ask is, what is the trend for this move? We all know that markets give us three movements. It's either it's giving us an uptrend move, it's either giving us a downtrend move, or a ranging market move. Those are the three movements markets don't give us. So we can see on this Euro GBP, we are having a ranging market move. I think this movement started since 2016. You can see, right? That's almost 6 years now, right? So we are that is going 6 years, going to 7 years now. So we'll be ranging, right? We see that this price will come to the same level, which is the resistance, and we would get a drop to the support, and then again resistance. We had a drop to the support, and there was a movement of that hit our resistance. Then we had a move to the support level. So you would know this candlestick wick you can see here. This was during that time, I think it was last year September. It was during that time when GBP actually got to its lowest, right? So basically, majority of GBP pairs actually dropped. So we saw this is one of the reasons why Euro to GBP actually gave us a bullish move. So no doubt about that. Price has gone bullish anyway. Price has now dropped, so we'll be expecting another impulse move upward. So we would see this movement like this as an higher highs. Then we would now take a look at this to be a pullback, then a new highs, and here will be seen as a pullback. Next, we are having on Euro GBP is this new high. So we will continue to go bullish on Euro GBP. So in the long run, we should be able to have, make about 400 pips for it to actually take out this resistance level. It will give us about 400 pips. So more bullish move is to come on Euro GBP. You can also see it is still trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So clearly, this is still a bullish move. Now that should take us to the weekly time frame. As you can see on the weekly time frame, so we would see this to be a highs here. You can see that price has once was ranging within this level on the weekly time frame. By the way, this is it, right? So that price once came to this support level, then we had a move to the resistance level, then support level, right? Price was once ranging within this level, then price gave us a breakout. Of course, once there's a breakout, price needs to give us a pullback to test that level it broke out from, and now we will continue this impulse move. So last week we had a bullish move on Euro GBP. So this week also we are expecting a bullish move on Euro GBP. So we will continue to make bullish move on Euro GBP. So more bullish move is to come. That should take us to the daily time frame. So basically, when you take a look at it, you can see on the daily time frame, this is an uptrend move. Higher highs and higher lows is what playing out. So let's see it from here. This will be seen as an highs, and we will take a look at it to be a low, a new highs here, and we will take a look at this to be a low, higher lows, then a new highs has been formed that took out this previous highs, and now higher lows is forming. So let's see if this higher lows will hit a level of 0.88168. So once it can drop to a level of 0.88166, then we should continue the bullish move on Euro GBP. Well, price is still dropping. After it has dropped, we will continue to go bullish on Euro GBP. And now see this 4-hour time frame. You can see on the 4-hour time frame, we are still on a pullback. So let's see if it will hit this level of 0.88168. I don't even think it will actually get to that level, but if in case it gets there, then we should see a rejection that will spike up. But what I'm watching out for is this level, which is 0.88350. I think it will actually get to the same level, then spike up. And if in case it drops to this 0.88168, then we would continue to make that bullish move on Euro GBP. That should now take us to the GBPAUD. So you can see it's a full trend, right? If you are to zoom it out, the full trend is actually a bearish move. The price is now correcting itself, pushing up, and now price is now dropping again. So basically, we are at a certain level where price very much likely to give us that bullish move. As you can see this level here, there is like we saw that this price was dropping, right? It actually hit this level. We had a rejection, we also got to the same level and there was a rejection. Now this GBP AUD has dropped to this same level, so of course we will be expecting a rejection at this level. Also have it in mind that AUD will be dropping soon. So basically, once AUD is dropping, then any other pairs we will be trading to AUD should give us a bullish move. So we should expect a drop on AUD. So once AUD is dropping, then we should see a bullish move on AUD, GBP AUD by the way. So let's see what this weekly time frame says. So we've actually been dropping, right? We saw this week that finished, we had a bearish move. 2 weeks ago, we also had a bearish move. 3 weeks ago, even 4 weeks ago, we had a bearish move. Hopefully this week we would have a bullish move. So let's watch out for a bullish move. Now let's see what this forward time frame is actually saying. So there's kind of a rejection around this level here. So watch out for it. So we should see price actually push up, tap this level, and drop again to this support. So we should see price actually range within this level for some times before we get a breakout and it will continue to give us that bullish move. Now let's see what this GBP AUD is actually saying. So basically we can see on the foot trend, this is actually a ranging market move. Price is ranging, especially when you go to the monthly time frame. So now that should not take us to the weekly time frame. You can see on the monthly time frame, price is actually ranging. Same thing on the weekly time frame, price is actually hitting the resistance and also hitting our support level. Well, so we've seen a bullish move that has rejected from our resistance level. Now it is dropping and we would expect it to hit our support level soon. But as at now, price is giving us a pullback, which I believe once this pullback is over, we will continue to get that drop. So we should be expecting a drop soon on GBP New Zealand dollar. Now we should take a look at this movement, right? So you can see on this daily time frame, price is actually playing out here. So let's see what this price is saying here. So we will take a look at this to be the highs and we should consider this to be the low. So let's see how price continue to range within this level for the week. So we would see something like this to the resistance and now to the support level. We can see this movement to the resistance and now to the support level. We can see another movement to the resistance and now we will be expecting a drop. So expect a drop this week on GBP AUD to this support level. So let's see if it will move up a bit, maybe give us about 50 pips bullish move, then we would now get that drop. At least we should be able to hit about 200 pips on this GBP New Zealand dollar. Same thing with the forward time frame. Forward time frame is still spiking up, right? So like I said before, let us see about 50 to 60 pips bullish move first before we start aiming for a drop on GBP. Now we take a look at this GBP card, right? So we have to zoom it out, right? We can see that the trend here is actually an uptrend move. So we would see this GBP card as as an ice here. We will take a look at this to be a pullback. A new high is being formed here, and here will be seen as a pullback. We can now take this to be a new high, and we will consider this to be a pullback. After the pullback, what do we expect? We expect more bullish move. So last week we actually had a bullish move. This week we should be expecting a bullish move on GBP card. So we should expect more bullish move this week. The same thing with the daily time frame. Daily time frame is actually spiking up and it is trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So we should expect more movement upward. Now with the forward time frame is giving us an higher highs and higher lows. So we can possibly wait for these levels to be broken, because there's every possibility price gets to this same level, then there will be a pullback. Once the pullback plays out, then we should see a breakout. Maybe that would be an opportunity for us to go ahead and take the buy movement. Now GBP Swiss franc, we can see the monthly time frame full trend, it is actually dropping. So we take a look at this recent move that is being made here on GBP Swiss franc. So there's something like a resistance level here, then drop to the support. Now we've seen it come close to the resistance level. We will still count it, and now it has dropped to the support level. Now we are having a rejection which is going up to this resistance level. So it's 2 weeks ago we had a bullish move. Last week we had a bullish move. So this week we expect a bullish move on GBP, Swiss franc. Last week we actually made about 150 pips bullish move. So this week, let's see if we would make similar movements of 150 pips bullish move. And let's see what this daily time frame is saying. So we can see a rejection at this level here. So price is actually spiking up. So we expect more bullish move, by the way, on GBP, Swiss franc, and now let's see what this forward time frame is saying. So forward time frame is still an uptrend move, by the way. Higher highs and higher lows is what playing out. So I think this is a good opportunity for us to go ahead and take a buy movement since a pullback has been made here. So we should consider going to take a buy for the week.